For this inequality, we are going to be solving a two-step inequality. Eliminate the constant first, and we want to eliminate the constant that's on the same side as the variable. So here, closest to on the same side as the x, we have this 3. It's a positive 3. To get rid of a plus 3, we're going to minus 3. If I do it to the left side of the inequality, I'm going to do it to the right side. That's a zero pair, and I'm going to be left with negative 5x is greater than negative 20. Two things. I'm going to eliminate the coefficient, but I need to understand and recognize that my coefficient is negative. This 5 is a negative 5. Because this is a negative 5, my inequality symbol is going to get flipped for my final solution set. So here, I'm going to eliminate the coefficient, negative 5x. X is being multiplied by negative 5. So that means I'm going to have to divide both sides by negative 5. That simplifies to 1. X is now going to be less than 4. X is less than 4 because I had to flip the inequality symbol. So when I'm graphing this, it's going to be an open circle on 4. And all the values that are less than 4 are going to be over here. Please pretend that's a straight line.